All right, so guys, guess where we are? That's the Togo border. We're not going to Togo today, but we might probably be going this week. So that's the border. That's how it look like, you know. Very, very green, red, gold, green there.
How can we like this, but you don't eat roast potatoes?
But this is not roast. This is fried.
Potato.
It's a fried potato.
This is what a roast potato tastes like.
So this is
This is a roast potato.
This is anagoti. This is a
roast potato.
This is kaliko. This is a fried sweet potato.
This is a roast potato.
It's a sweet roast potato. No, not roast, fried. It's fried, yeah. So you have it with the chili sauce here, which I'm going to have shortly.
Oh, with gravy.
So it costs how much? I got 4 piece. It costs just 2 Ghana cedis.
18 pence.
18 pence if you convert that. Yeah, 18 pence. We also got some snack. What's the name? It tastes like panipuri. Tastes like panipuri. I have it here, but I have chili on mine. I'm trying to get this sauce out. Do you want a panipuri? How's the panipuri? Nice. I don't know how to explain that, but it tastes like panipuri. It's anagoti.
It's like a papadum but thicker.
Yeah, says papadum but thicker. Yeah. So this is anagoti kaliko. In our koliko.
Roast potato in English.
So we're sitting in the car having a snack because we can't find the chop bar. That's my third one. I think she gave us a lot.
Oh. Okay.
You want more? I have chilies. All right, let's go. Let's go to our flower. Yeah. All right, so guys, we just finished buying the tiles and the painting. Bossy, what's up? Babe. Oh, you finished. All right. So we're just going to go to Malcolm now and do some shopping, and spend the rest of the day around this place. Dali, Dali, why you have flower? I need to take the sunglasses off. Emotion. Light green, huh? Okay, is that nice? Alright, so guys, we just at the not furniture shop. What is it called? Painting shop. So we just bought painting and some hardware stuff. It's not easy to renovate a house, you know. So this is where they sell everything. So they sell worktops. They have almost every hardware. So this is just out there, you know, buying painting the house. This Jay. Just going to Aflawo now. We're going to Malcolm. Malcolm is just a few minutes walk from the border. Actually, like less than a minute walk from the border. We're going to do some grocery shopping. So guys, stay tuned. All right, so I just managed to get my SIM card done. We're heading back to the car now to head to Aflawo. and then we can do some bits of shopping and then look for somewhere to have some food. So we just stopped to fix the car. The door is not opening, so we just stopped to fix it, and this is the mechanic. Is fixing the car right now. You can see if you open the lock from here, it's not opening, so he just wanted to get it out. Hopefully we can get it fixed. This is all the nonsense from here. This is the mechanic. This is where the mechanic is. This is how the streets look like. And Jay is just here relaxing in the car, and I'm here with Jay. We've been here before. It's not the first time. You can't be here. You can't be in Ghana without fixing the car. Oh God.